experienced defender.
Jesus.
And it's been saved!
Jesus. At the same
Falulu, who came on at the end of extra time for this penalty shootout, comes up with another stop. The goalkeepers are having their moments, both sides. It's 3-3, and now Congo DR have a penalty to put them into the Inter-Confederation playoffs. Right here, right now, it all comes down to this. And of course, it's the captain, Chancellor Mbemba, the man who scored the semi-final winner against Cameroon. The man who almost scored a winner in this final. Steps up and scores! And the Democratic Republic of Congo have made it into the Inter-Confederation playoffs. They take this 4-3 in the penalty shootout. And a team that has never made it to the World Cup under their current name are a step closer.
What have you been?
Joy in Rabat for the Leopards. They are into the international playoffs next March. Sébastien Desabre has masterminded the path. It was 1-1 between Nigeria and Congo DR after extra time. But it's Congo DR who progress 4-3 after a penalty shootout that was fraught with misses, with saves, and with quality finishes, not the least of which from the captain, Chancellor Mbemba, in his 101st international appearance.
Tight.